Hello friend, today we are discuss about the three C control statements. The control statement is nothing but the conditional statement, or the control statement is also called as the branching statement. The C program that we encountered up to now were executed in the same order which they appear in it. The conditional or control statement in C programming are used to make the decisions based on the conditions. The conditional statement execute sequentially when there is no condition around the statement. If you put some condition for block of statements, the execution flow may change based on the result executed by the condition. This process is called as the decision making in C. In practical applications, there is numerous situations where we have to neglect some part of the program codes. For this purpose, C programming uses the control statement to control the flow of execution of program. If the condition is satisfied, the code followed by that condition will execute. If not, simply that code will be neglected by the compiler. So here is the flowchart for the control statement. The control statement is also called as the selection or branching statement. This branching statement can be divided into two parts, conditional type and unconditional type. Conditional type again divided into the four part: if statement, if else statement, if else if statement, and switch statement. And unconditional type is a break, continue, and go to statement. So the C nested now in the previous session we had seen the if else statement, if else simple if statement, then nested if else statement. Now in this lecture we have seen the C nested else if statement, or this else if nested else if statement is also called as the else if ladder. So here see this picture, it is very interesting picture. In that picture, here this lady want to take the cherry, or we say that he want to this cherry, but there is this fruit is out of stock. So she will decided that, so if there is no cherry, then she will take the orange. Now there is orange is also out of stock, so she has the another options will be there, so she will decided that take the banana. So shopkeeper give the banana to that lady. In the nested else if statement, the number of logical condition can be checked for executing various statement. If any logical condition is true, the compiler execute the block under that else if condition. Otherwise, it skips and execute the else block. By default, the else block will be executed if all the remaining conditions are false. It must be noted in the nested if else statement, if more than one else if statement is true, then first else if statement which satisfy the condition in it will alone executed. Now here this is the C nested else if syntax. The general syntax will be like that: if test expression 1, then opening curly brace, here goes statement, and closing curly brace. Now else if test expression 2, here goes statement, closing curly brace, else here goes statement and closing curly brace. So this is the flow chart. This that will clearly demonstrate how else if statement will be work. The flow chart will be like that. Here the start condition, now here text expression 1. If this expression is 1, if this expression is true, then the body of if statement will be executed. If this text expression 1 is false, then it will be go to the text expression 2 for checking the text expression 2. If this result of this condition is true, then body of if statement will be executed and it will be go to the end of this block. Now if this condition is false, then it will be go to the third condition. for checking the test expression 3. Now if this condition is true, then body of if statement will be executed and it will be go to the stop. Now if this condition is false, then the default statement will be executed and control will be exit from that statement. So this is the flowchart of else if statement. Now let me take some example of else if statement. So here in the main function I take a variable a of integer type. So print in the printf statement, enter a number, scanf %d comma ampersand a. That means with the help of the keyboard we take the value of a. Now check that if a is greater than 0, then printf %d is a positive number, double quotation mark /n is the escape sequence for new line, %d is a positive number, double quotation complete comma a. Here closing curly brace of if statement. Then else if a is less than 0, then it will be print that %d is a negative number. Else printf %d is a 0, and here we print the value of a and return 0 and closing the main statement with the help of the closing curly brace. Now when we compile that program and run that program, if the compiler asks that enter the number, then if you should add -47, then it will be show the output -47 is a negative number. So it will be how it will be checked that, see here, if you enter here the value of a equal to -47, then it will be go for this statement. If what is the value of a? -47. So -47 is greater than 0? No, condition is false. Then it will be go to the else part. If -47 is less than 0, yes, this condition is true. Then it will be print that -47 is a negative number, like that way. So it will be show the output. So friend, this is up to the nested else if statement. Hope you have understand this topic. Thank you friend.